He's fast. He's strong. Good work, James Bond. Ring. What a nice dream. One more boring Monday at the bank. Adam Gray works in a bank. He doesn't like his job, and he doesn't like Mr. Smith, his boss. I must go. I don't want to be late for work. Every day is the same. Nothing exciting ever happens to me. Morning, Adam. Morning, Mrs. B. Now she says, your horoscope for today. Your horoscope for today. Libra, do something different today. It's not true. Thanks, Mrs. B. Bye. Usually I go left. Do something different today. He goes right and walks through the park. Suddenly, what's happening? Help! Stop that! Come on, run! Who is he? We don't know. Cut! At the same time, nobody move! Give us the money! Come on, we want to leave. The police are coming. Thump! Ouch! Come on, move! Sorry. I know that voice, I think. Police, help! Screech! Quick! Run before they see us. Stop! I don't need your help. You don't understand. My name is Serena Silver. I'm an actor. And the men with you? Who are they? Actors. There is no money in the rucksack. Just newspaper. Look. At the same time, how much money have we got? Lots. I want to see. But they get a big surprise. What's this? This is newspaper. Where's our money? This is bad. That man has our rucksack and our money. The dirty thief. We must get our money back. This isn't newspaper. I don't understand anything. Suddenly, are those men actors? No, they are not. And that gun is real. Run! Why are you waiting? Move! Stop, you dirty thieves, or I shoot. Run! But Adam and Serena don't stop. My car is near here. Come with me. Where are we going? To the film set. Oh no, they're close behind us. You must drive more quickly. I've got an idea. Have you got a mobile phone? Yes, why? Don't ask questions. Dial 0743-2689, quick. Please help us. Where are you? On the bridge near the airport. Bring the cameras and film and everything. Drive to the airport at once. We can stop them there. This is wonderful. My film can make a lot of money. Hiccup. What's happening? There is no more petrol. Oh no, I'm very afraid. Look, boss, they're stopping. Let's get them. They've got my money. What can we do now? I've got a second idea. Where is the gun? But it's a water gun. Yes, but the thieves don't know. And it's leaking. I don't want to be James Bond now. Oh no! Get out of the car with your hands up. and the girl with the rucksack. I know that voice. Bring it to me, slowly. Is it Mr. Smith, my boss? No, it can't be. He's on holiday. Don't hurt me, please. Is the money in the rucksack? It's our rucksack, boss. What a lot of money. Don't be greedy. Leave some for me. Excellent. I've got the water gun. Take the money and leave the girl. I've got a gun, too. Yes, you have. And it's leaking, Mr. Gray. Mr. Smith? But you are on holiday. Soon, very soon. With this money I can go on a very long holiday. Now that you know who I am, I must kill you and your friend. There are police everywhere. Put your guns down. This is wonderful. Don't stop filming. What are you doing? I can't see anything now. Ouch. Stop. Oh, no. Now I've got the gun. Listen to the police. Quick, Adam, your tie. What? Tie his hands. Mr. Gray, you are late for work. You can get up now, miss. I want my money. Cut. Very good, everybody. Oh, no. What's the matter? Mr. Smith is right. I am late for work. Ha 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 ha. You are 3 hours late. But I don't want to hear anything. Leave this bank at once. But I've got the bank's money. It's true. Say please. Please. It doesn't matter, Adam. I've got a new job for you. Would you like to be in my film? Now I'm here, Serena. Nobody can hurt you. Yes, please. I want you to be a bank robber.